I just don't appreciate na may attitude agad or lumalaki yung ulo agad ng mga artists. Kasi, I feel like,
Yeah.
right?
I know so many people. Meron ba kayo sa showbiz na mga nakaaway niyo na? Natanong ko na ba to? Hindi pa.
Hindi
Meron na ba?
pa. Hindi pa.
Ulitin ko lang meron na ba kayo nakaaway sa showbiz?
Wala naman po directly nakaaway, pero I feel like I just, like, na-witness ko yung ano to? I mean, na-witness ko lang yung
Pagka
attitude.
Bitchesa, Ate Chona.
Yeah.
Nino, sino yan?
Oh. I don't wanna name drop naman. Pero feeling
Huwag ka
ko
munang mag-react dyan kasi pupunta tayo sa'yo.
Feeling ko po kasi, no, I'm the type of person, kunyari, there's a gathering, I'm an introvert din po, pero if I have to like socialize, I can. Pero during sa mga parties, bihira lang ako mag-stay. So parang, maabutan ko pa yung ganun niya, parang, what?
Babae to?
Yeah,
Matanda?
no.
Kasi
So
idaran
I
mo.
relate to you when you said na parang there's some young artists na very bold agad compared to the veteran actors and actresses. So, ayun, I don't want to name drop, madam. Pero,
no need.
pero yun, I just don't appreciate, naging mabait na, I just don't appreciate na may attitude agad or lumalaki yung ulo agad ng mga artists. Kasi, I feel like,
Yeah.
right?
I know so many people.
Right? I feel like we should be transparent kasi marami po talagang ganon.
You should be transparent.
Di ba?
Marami
Ganun
ganun.
yung minimin namin
Ayun,
kanina eh.
Pag-act na parang walang ganon, marami pong ganon.
Maraming ganun.
That's why you choose your people.
Oo.
Lalo na yung mga biglang sikat.
Oo.
Yung mga biglang yung parang pinaghirapan. Hindi mo kasi pinaghirapan, palibhasa di ba?
Yeah.
Totoo.
Yeah, I just want to be honest, but that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So wala?
Meron!
Nag-away talaga kayo? Harap-harapan?
No. I didn't do anything about it kasi ayokong pumatol.
Pero nag-bitch siya sa'yo? Ganun, napaka-bitch siya sa'yo. Anong sinabi sa'yo?
Kilala ko? To?
Ano ba? Ganito po kasi yung nangyari. Parang, ginanon niya ako while I was just saying hi.
Babati lang siya.
Babati lang po ko.
Sample.
and when I
Babatiin
say-
kita.
So
Hi.
when I say hi, puro lang, hi, ganyan. Bebeso pa ako. Biglang, tapos I was just shocked na, what do I do? What did she just do? And I just didn't appreciate it. And every encounter I have with
That person.
them,
Them!
no.
Wow!
I just don't want to say her or him.
Sa bagay.
So I say them.
Masyadong Jency sa part na yan.
Jen.
Pero I just don't appreciate na every encounter I have with them, hindi siya pleasant, hindi siya parang like, we're in the same kapamilya together, parang hindi po.
So, kapamilya to,
Oh!
babae,
Paano yun na? Mali.
No, I just want to be honest.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
really
No need.
hate lying talaga. A lot of my co-actors know that. I don't like lying.
No. And honestly, sa mga viewers po natin, marami po talaga sa showbiz, kala mo mababait, pero bait-baitan lang. Bait-baitan lang talaga. Yung parang, nito, behind the scenes nito.
Everybody is smiling here.
Oh,
Is there an experience?
eme ka.
Shared experience.
Pero diba, meron din naman yung like, sila Ate Gladys Reyes, diba, parang nananabunot sa diba, masasamang mga villain. Pero in real life, sobrang babait, ganyan.
Yeah. So yeah, that's just my unpleasant experience. Kasi, ang dami pa eh.
Oh.
But every encounter, I don't appreciate it. So yun, sa mga viewers natin dyan. Sana.
Oo. Pero wala naman ikaw na talagang nag-away talaga kayo.
Wala, kasi I'm always leaving early sa mga ganun. So hindi ko naabutin yung mga ganun.
How about you?
Nag-start na ako
Pati PBB wala.
B?
Parang wala ka nakaaway.
I don't.
Talagang
Pinapostpone.
binabalik ka talaga sa'yo, ha?
Pinapostpone.
Hindi ako makaka-peak. Wait lang. Kasi kailangan ko mag-cut ngayon eh. So pagbalik ng next body, buong body, the tea will be spilled. Hello mga katsaa, maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, siguraduhin mag-like, i-share at mag-comment sa baba. At kung gusto niyo pang mapanood or mapakinggan ng mga iba naming episodes, please subscribe. So ayun na nga. Tuloy mo na yung kwento mo.
Ikaw hindi.
May nakaaway ka na ba or naka-something?
Oo naman, pero parang meron din ako mga unpleasant experiences din na parang yung, kunyari sa ball, parang ABS-CBN ball, parang kunyari, pero parang gets naman, siguro dahil veteran, hindi naman yata siya
naman.
veteran yung
Hindi naman.
Parang nagpa-picture lang ako ganun, tapos sobrang sungit niya, tapos parang may ganun lang ako na experiences din, na papapicture lang naman ako, pero sobrang sungit.
Bakit ko gets? Anong meron? Ba't
I
siya
don't know also, I
nasungitan?
don't know. Basta yun, that's just one.
What's your sign? When were you born?
Scorpio.
How about you po, madam?
Mamaya, guess. How about you?
Really ba? Saji. Pero I was born in
Cusp.
between. Yeah, cusp. Saji, Scorpio.
Okay.
Pero I think I'm more of a Saji. I don't know kasi what time I was born eh. So,
So ano ka, parang dinideny mo yung Scorpio side mo?
I don't know nga. I
I'm
wanna
Sagy.
know.
Could be Sagy. Just the fact that at a very young age you went to the Philippines to pursue your dreams, that's a very Sagy thing.
I'm a Saji, guys.
Scorpio.
What is yours, madam?
Yes.
Ooh.
You will never guess.
Really?
Hmm.
Aquarius? Oh, no. Aries.
You will never. Okay, Aquarius, Aries.
Aries?
I feel like she's a
I
fire
f-
sign.
Really? I feel like maybe either Virgo or Libra?
Gemini.
Walang
Could be
nakuha ni isa. See, I told you.
Leo?
I don't come off as Cancer, but I am.
What?
Oh.
I'm a Cancer sun, Leo rising,
Leo.
and
Oh, I don't know
Virgo
those.
moon. Kaya that's why I have that. Pero I'm sun, a sun. I'm water, fire, and earth. Na lang, shinare ko lang.
Okay.
Shout out sa
Oh, I
mga
did not
co-cancer.
expect that.
Hindi mo maisip na cancer ako, di ba?
No.
Like, walang ka-cancer sa mukha ko.
Maybe ganun talaga pag cancer. Like,
Ano?
hindi mo talaga malaman.
Hindi, usually cancers are very, very, pag nakita mo, ako, like, as a cancerian, I can detect kapag cancerian sila.
Oh.
That's why you were crying pala sa Labs reaction video.
Ah!
Yeah.
Yes. We will get there.
Okay.
Speaking of laugh, so nandun lang tayo sa love at first bite. And one of the main themes of that is the hindi nyo nasagot yung situationship eh.
Oo nga, sige. Yes,
What
sorry,
does that
sorry.
mean?
Situationship.
Situationship.
What does it mean
Ang
for you?
pagkakaintindi ko sa situationship, di ba, like, isn't that like parang casual?
They're dating, but there's no,
No
label and
label,
commitment.
no
That's what I
Have you experienced
No,
it?
kasi I'm really the
Situationships.
date to marry kind of
Ako din.
Ako din.
Parang,
person.
yeah.
I don't
Pag
really
mag-date
play
isa
around.
lang. Ganun.
Ba't may date pa sabay-sabay?
Hindi, meron ganun.
May ganun po, kaya may
Nagde-date madami.
situationship kasi may relationship pala on the side. po.
O kaya situationship, madami siyang situationship.
Yes.
What do you
Kasi
mean?
they are not sticking to a commitment or a label. So, pwedeng multiple or pwedeng pagsabay.
Okay, so when I was single, I used to date guys, let's say, right?
Mm.
But like, okay, I date you, pero I just called it, I'm dating. Pero wala din naman akong feelings sa kanila. Dinate ko lang, trinay lang natin.
I've
Okay.
never had a situationship eh.
Parang, I think situationship is parang mas malalim kaysa sa date, dinidate mo lang. Parang, pero,
So may investment ng emotions, pero walang investment ng commitment?
parang ganun.
Parang may
Di ba?
access sila sa'yo na
Na parang magjowa kayo, pero
hindi lang just like dating, parang jowa na. But there's no, that's why there's a situation going on.
Yeah, pero why would you want that?
I don't want
I don't
that.
want it.
We don't want that, so yeah.
But a lot of Gen Z kids, they do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Another big theme sa mga Gen Zs would be like mental health. How's your mental health? You know, I met Beanie nung birthday ni Derek Lauren, tsaka Beanie BGYO. And then the first thing that I asked them is like, how's your mental health? I always ask that of kids because I feel like you guys are the most parang targeted when it comes to this issue. Like, there's a lot of things going on in your head. How's your mental health?
Okay. Good. I guess they're
Better?
just, yes. But I guess there are just times na, it's hard, it's rough. But I feel like sometimes it comes out when you're like too alone in your thoughts. Parang ganun. And I feel like it comes because sa parang 20s, parang ganun talaga yung na-experience nila. Na parang, feeling ko there's always that question na parang tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Am I in the right path? Kasi parang you're in your 20s, parang iba kakagraduate, yung iba still studying, iba trying to figure out what they want to do. I feel like it's that. And balancing it with life and parang relationships, ganon. And I feel like masyadong ma-pressure tayo sa sarili natin.
Sobra. Actually, yung problema talaga, honestly, I had a life coach / healer who was with me in one. Ang punot dulo niya social media. Because we've all experienced that. Like, of course, I'm the same age more or less as Ivan. So we've been in your age, but we didn't have social media then. So I didn't have like a chance to compare parang, okay, may bag, ang isang influencer, wala akong pakialam kasi hindi ko naman siya nakikita. Nag-travel abroad, whatever, this person, hindi ko nakikita. Ang ganda niya, maganda yung ilong niya, ako hindi maganda yung ilong ko. Hindi ko siya very small yung mundo namin. But with social media kasi, especially with your generation, like, you see everything and you can't help but compare yourselves, and that's what they said. It's really the pudot dulo.
Yeah, no, I totally agree talaga. Parang, I had that realization talaga na parang social media, grabing impact sa life ng mga Gen Zs now. Parang, I guess, parang kunyari sa situationship, I'm sure not a lot of people know kung ano yung situationship. Pero dahil sikat siya on social media, nag-situationships like that, parang nalalaman nila yung mga ganong terms. And parang uso yung pag may nalaman kang term, gusto mo
Gawin.
parang gawin,
Oo.
ganon.
And add it to your vocabulary. Oh my
And you wanna be, na-FOMO ka, in other words.
Yeah.
Parang ako rin mag-situationship din ako. Di ba ganyan?
Sobrang helpful kapag nagsa-social media detox talaga. I don't know.
Sobra.
It has its pros and cons, social media.
No. Social media. But detox is definitely a much needed
Yes.
parang cleansing. How about you? How's your mental health?
I feel like anxiety, depression, I've felt it, of course. Feeling ko it should be normalized to talk about kasi everybody can feel that way. Lalo na po nung pandemic.
Yeah,
Grabe
yeah,
po
yeah,
yung
yeah,
pandemic. That was like a really low point for me kasi I was so young and then online and then
Yeah.
no work. Super. From pandemic na akala ko 2 weeks lang, naging 2 years. So, it was a lot for me. Pero ngayon, feeling ko it's just seasonal. It does come to me po, depression and anxiety for
It does,
sure.
it does.
It does, but it goes then.
Like, it's real depression?
Yeah.
Like diagnosed?
Yeah. Oh, I feel like ngayon ko palang ita-touch on it.
Mm.
Feeling ko it started after PBB po kasi, I mean, you were locked up in a house without time, without anything. You can't even read books or write anything. So, feeling ko dun po nag-start. And I was a minor, so I feel like it was normal for me to feel that way. And we had psychological tests then and everything before and after, to see our well-being. So I feel like that's where it started for me. Pero now I'm doing so much better. I know how to regulate it, and I feel like, yeah, I'm so much better. It just comes and goes, and then I'll be okay.